Heavy traffic, the inconvenience that eats up a lot of our time and patience, having us to be late for our work or for school. But compared to other cities in other countries, traffic in Manila truly stands out as one of the cities with the worst traffics. According to census data in 2016, Metro Manila had a population of 1.78 million, with 42,857 people per square kilometer, all within an area of 42.88 square kilometer, making it one of the world's densely populated cities. Also, taking into considerations that the population of the city rises during the daytime, wherein the population number rises to about 15 million. Because of the high density population, the amount of vehicles on the road are also high. The logical definition of traffic is actually different from how we most frequently ponder it. Traffic actually refers to the vehicles that are traveling on the road, the one that we often visualize as a Carmageddon, or where the flow of vehicles in a road is stagnant and seems to move very slow. It's referred to as traffic congestion, which is caused by heavy traffic. In 2013, the Land Transportation Office listed a total of 2,101,148 motor vehicles registered in NCR, or 20% of the country's 7,690,038 total registered motor vehicles. In 2015, the total motor vehicles in Metro Manila has already peaked at 2.5 million. The traffic demand in Metro Manila is at 12.8 million trips. 69% of these total trips are done using public transport, yet only 22% of the road space is occupied by public vehicles. The other 78% of road space is taken by private vehicles. According to Jose Gonzalez, a worker in the Traffic Management Office of Las Piñas, a few other reasons why heavy traffic continues to persist are because of the following. Number 1. Undisciplined public and private drivers and commuters. These undisciplined and careless drivers or commuters can lead to road incidents which can cause traffic. Number 2. Quality of road is not enough and appropriate to support the number of cars. Not all cars can fit in one road. If a road is not very spacious, this makes the line of cars in one road stagnant for a short time. Number 3. Unregulated number of cars. With the current state of how cars are continuously being bought in the country, especially with the convenience of buying cars in this country, the government will continue to struggle in resolving this issue with heavy traffic. Number 4. Very frequent intersections. Having many intersections slows down the flow of traffic. Number 5. Use of substandard level of materials. The use of a substandard level of materials in road or infrastructure construction often leads to prevalent occurrence of damage on roads or infrastructure, which will require a lot of untimely maintenance that can cause traffic.
Ito po, ano po yung mga problema na nararanasan nyo po sa traffic?
Marami ng sasakyan, sobra na. Tapos yung mga truck, abala dito sa Imelda Avenue sa Cainta. Yan. Wala kasi yatang truck ban dyan, kaya sobra ang traffic.
Ano ang mga issue o problema na nararanasan mo tuwing traffic? traffic, U-turn, ang layo ng U-turn. Yung mga repair ng road, yan, yan. Lalo na pag Monday, sobrang traffic. Kasi minsan, yun nga, sobrang daming sasakyan na.
Here are a few other proposed solutions to our traffic problems in our country. Number 1. Urban planning and design. Urban planning is a technical and political process concerned with the development and design of land use. The government should aim to decentralize highly populated cities, like Metro Manila, by providing more opportunities outside these cities, like by putting up business and commercial areas outside of these highly populated cities. This can reduce the number of people living in one area, making the number of vehicles in the area also go down. Number 2. Further impose rules when it comes to public utility vehicle or public utility jeepneys. How public utility vehicles or jeepneys pick up or drop off passengers should be done in accordance with road traffic rules. These vehicles are only allowed to pick up and drop off passengers at designated loading and unloading zones. If both commuters and drivers would all comply with following proper road traffic regulations like this can reduce the number of complications that happen on the road. Number 3. Having automated fee collection systems. Today's technology has made us reach higher levels of convenience and efficiency at the same time. Having these automated fee collection systems for toll gates can reduce the struggles made by the driver to make a payment, and at the same time, make faster transactions so that the flow of traffic would barely have to slow down. Though, we still have to make sure that these collection systems are quick, consistent, and reliable in doing these transactions. Number 4. Construction of more roads and road widening. As much as ever, our country needs more freeways and multiple lane roads. The problem with traffic is the lack of pathways for other vehicles. Construction of more roads lessens the time needed to travel and gives more route and spaces to other vehicles. Number 5. Improved driver education. As of now, getting a driver's license is so easy. You're only required to take a simple exam about basic traffic rules and regulations. Make newcoming drivers take seminars about proper road rules and regulations. By making the exam more difficult, you effectively limit the number of drivers on the road. The rich can buy as many cars as they like, but if they or their drivers can't pass a simple test, they can't go on the road.
Sa tingin nyo po, ano po yung pwedeng solusyon para mabawasan yung traffic?
Dagdagan pa yung traffic aid. Dagdagan nila para nababantayan yung mga biglaang liliko na hindi naman dapat lumiko kasi nagiging dahilan din ng traffic.
Ano ang mga posibleng solusyon para mabawasan ang traffic?
Dagdagan ng elevated U-turn, tapos dagdagan pa yung mga, at minsan kasi ang lalayo ng mga U-turn. So dagdagan yung mga U-turn. Tsaka, magbenta ng sasakyan.
Is there still hope for this country to overcome its issue with traffic? We believe that it is still possible for us to arise from the calamity that literally slows down our daily lives. With the right plan of actions by the government and its other agencies like DPWH or DOTR, we can slowly begin to pull ourselves out of this problem. In fact, recently the government has been taking actions and executing solutions for this issue. For example, President Duterte's Build project, so far, as of November 2019, has accomplished building 9,845 kilometers worth of road, which included being used to create, maintain, and widen roads. And in addition, the project has also worked on over 2,709 bridges, which included construction of new ones and widening and strengthening of existing bridges. The Land Transportation Office has also been taking action since the beginning of the year in increasing requirements needed to get a license. This included requiring new applicants to have taken a minimum of 15 hours theoretical driving seminars and an 8 hours hand-on driving lessons from an LTO accredited school. We still may have a shot in overcoming this calamity within our country, but it is still up to us if we are willing enough to discipline ourselves and to comply with the proper rules and regulation of the road. As they all say, change starts with you.